What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today we have the Gen 3 lineup. We're gonna give you our first impressions of these awesome electric scooters that just came out by Gen 3. And if you want to get one of these scooters, if you type in inGear 250, Gen 3 is going to give you $250 off of the scooter and give you a free accessory bundle. So here's our first impressions on why we think these scooters are awesome. All right, so first off, we're gonna start with the original Verve. I call it the Verve Compact just to give differentiation because it's the compact body versus the Pro is much larger. So I'm gonna call this the Verve Compact. There's a few things that I really like about this. The portability of this one is superior to the portability of the other one. Now they are both portable. However, this one you could easily fold up, put it in the back seat of your car. You can put it in your trunk. You can easily carry it because it weighs a lot less. So I love this one. It has very similar features, very similar display. The folding mechanisms are the same. This has a trigger bell instead of a twist throttle bell, which I'll show you in just a moment. Headlight, rear light. The brakes are very sensitive on this model. So you just want to be able to use ease when you're pulling on the brakes to make sure that you don't, cause any issues for yourself. Thumb throttle, which is great. It has a cruise control method, and this uses an app, which is pretty unique. Gen 3 has their own app, which gives you all sorts of things: mapping, location, miles per hour. Awesome feature for this, so good job Gen 3. So let's move on to the Verve Pro and why we like this one. There's definitely some different features on this one. It's hard to tell right here, but this scooter is much bigger. It's beefier, it's heavier, and the platform, you have a lot more real estate here. So the compact version, it's good for all sizes, but as a guy my size, it is compact. And so that's what I like about it, but also there's not a lot of real estate for your feet. This one, however, I could probably fit my wife and I on the platform of this. Now, I'm not recommending that we put two people on here, however, but the platform is big enough. And I like that because as I was riding, one of the things I noticed is that this felt a lot smoother. And that has to do a lot because it has front shocks. It has front adjustable suspension, which alleviates a lot of the bumpies. You just kind of cruise over there. I took this thing off of the curb. I went up the curb. Again, not advertising that you go and do that with your scooter. However, I was testing this to see how much of this you would feel, and I'm telling you, it's a smooth ride. So my preference right now for me personally is this one. This one comes in at $699. This one comes in at $499. And like I said, if you're interested in getting one of these scooters this season, inGear 250 is the code that Gen 3 is giving us to be able to use. Gives you $250 off each one of these bikes and a free accessory bundle kit, which comes with some fun extras. So this is what we love about these scooters. So we'd love to hear your thoughts on what you like about these scooters. All right, so as you saw in our other videos, the speed tests, the Verve Pro goes 5 miles an hour faster than the Verve Compact. We come in at 20 miles per hour and 15 miles per hour. Again, plenty fast enough for both of these scooters. The Verve Pro has bigger tires, it has a bigger platform, it has bigger batteries, and it has bigger wheels, and it has front suspension. So that's primarily the difference between the two. We definitely love the both of them. All right, so there you have it, Gen 3's lineup. We have the bike and we have the two scooters. They make an awesome product. We love what they're doing. So keep it up, Gen 3, and we will see you guys in our next video. My wife and I on the platform of this. We'll wait for that truck to go by.